paragraph. So I'm going to show you how to use the inspector on Google Chrome. And let me just do that so we're just seeing one tab. Okay, so let's right click, let's click inspect. Now, if you click this little button right here, this is a select an element on the page to inspect it. Okay, so if we were to click here, it's going to show the paragraph. The other thing you can do, which is an easier trick, is do section ID right there. And what we can do is we can type in the property here, and we can do margin left 20 pixels. Okay. And let's do 100. Let's try text align center. Nope, that didn't do it. Okay, so let's do margin left 100 pixels. Okay, margin right 100 pixels. Margin top 100 pixels. So there's an easier way to do this. If I just right click and reload, we could just do this. We could do margin. It'll let me click in here. There we go. Margin 100 pixels. What that'll do is it'll kick it all the way around. So the margin is margin top 100 pixels, left, right, and bottom. And that's what we're going to do. So we're going to select this, Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy. Okay, we're going to go back into our code, and we're going to go to our CSS. And let's do right above the footer, we're going to do home page content. Oh, there we go. Okay, and we'll paste that in right here. And we'll right click on the index.html. And that's exactly how we wanted it. So that's it for the home page. So in the next video, we're going to style the services page. So I'll see you there.